we think it makes sense as long as you remain exposed. So basically what we're doing is considering people to switch from simply an one beta exposure to including some protection. That could potentially be the case in the technology side, because that's where you're going to have that volatility on the on yields, although no drift higher, as I said before, volatility as well around expectations, and obviously, given that they have rallied so far, also some regulatory questions. But it is a sector that we remain quite positive on. What we do think the best thing to do is to just diversify. I think what the vaccine news does is it gives support to a view that you need to broaden your exposure from just betting on the one horse of technology into also other sectors such as materials, industrials, consumer discretionary, which we have done for a while, actually for a few months now. So that supports that diversification.
Willem, can I ask you, in the short term, there's no indication that President Trump is willing to go quietly, and he's going to be around until January the 20th anyway. To what extent do you feel that there is still the possibility of election-related volatility impacting markets?
It's always a possibility, and it's difficult to bet on it, as an investor. And I don't think we are in that job, frankly. But indeed, it means that, you still need to have some hedges. Now, the problem obviously is, where are you going to find the diversification? Most people believe that treasuries are unattractive with the yields, even after the sell-off with the yields that we currently have. So we have an investment grade overweight that helps. We have a gold overweight as well, which we maintain. We don't foresee much price upside, but we maintain it. We think some hedge funds are probably well placed as well, especially the macro and the multi-strategy. So we need to take that into account. And then indeed, the previous question around can we buy some protection or switch into structured products which provide a little bit of a buffer? Is that a good element in the portfolio? And I think that makes sense as well. It needs to be that whole mix, because there's no one single magic bullet at attractive pricing levels that helps you protect yourself.